Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Live Korean, where we learn Korean through songs, dramas and other videos online. Today we'll finally be looking at a drama. The drama is called Sky Castle and it's been pretty popular over the past couple of months. We're going to be looking at a short scene and seeing how we can say congratulations in Korean and how it can differ depending on who you're talking to. So listen carefully, I'll play it a couple of times and then we'll go through it.
축하드립니다. 영자 축하해.
감사합니다.
고마워요. 이렇게 진심으로 축하해 주셔서. 축하드립니다. 영자 축하해.
감사합니다.
고마워요. 이렇게 진심으로 축하해 주셔서.
Okay, now before I start, I'd just like to note one quite cool thing is that JTBC offers Korean subtitles as well as English subtitles. Lots of places they do offer English subtitles, but they don't offer Korean subtitles. But JTBC has actually uploaded Korean subtitles, different from auto-generated subtitles, which can often be wrong. So it's quite good for learning. Now remember, when learning this way, all translations aren't going to be literal or match completely, so you need to be careful and actually look at the Korean when learning this way also. Now the scene starts off with everyone saying konbae and raising their glasses, which in English means cheers, as you can see here. Next we have everyone saying congratulations, and before she says this, somebody actually says 축하드려요. It's hard to hear because it's mixed in with everyone else talking, but it is in there. So first let's make this a bit bigger. 축하 means celebration or to congratulate. 드려요 is the polite form of 드리다. And 드리다 is a verb for give, but it's an honorific form of the verb. So that means we use it to people who are higher than us or who we are meeting for the first time and we want to be extra polite to them. And it's the honorific of the verb 주다. But in this case, just think of it as an expression. Next, we have 축하드립니다, which is very similar. It's polite and it's also a bit formal as well, this 읍니다. If you watch the news, you will hear 읍니다 a lot. So that's what she is saying here, 축하드립니다. Again, using the honorific verb 드리다. Now it's also important to note that you can say both 축하해요 and 축하합니다 as well. Now how do we choose which one to use? In what situations do we use them? So the first two, personally, I would use with co-workers or maybe seniors at your university who are older than you. These ones here, 축하드립니다 and 축하합니다, I would use more with people like managers, bosses, grandparents. Version. 축하해 is what you would say to a very close friend or someone younger than you who you have a close relationship with, or a child. And we can see that in this next line, 영재야. 영재 is the boy's name, 축하해. So this is an older adult saying congratulations to a student, so of course she would say 축하해. Now you might be wondering why in the previous lines other people were saying congratulations politely. Well, that's because they're not only congratulating the kid but also the parents of the kid as well. So of course the parents need to be polite, show politeness and respect to the other parents. Now if we look at the next line, 고마워요, you can see the mother of the son is saying thank you to everyone at the table, the other parents, and because she knows the other parents, she's become a bit close with them, she's saying 고마워요, which is a little bit less formal than 고맙습니다 or 감사합니다. And so you would use 고마워요 to older friends at university, but if you're just in a taxi or saying thank you to a manager or something like that, you should use 감사합니다 or 고맙습니다. And lastly, with close friends or people who are quite younger than you, you can use 고마워. But remember, if you're using it to people younger than you, you'd probably only use 고마워 if they were a child or maybe someone who's younger than you at the same school as you. Otherwise, you would stick with 고마워요 or even 고맙습니다. So that was just a basic beginner's lesson today for saying congratulations and thank you in Korean. And if you have any requests, please send them through as well. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.